Good morning, everyone. So this is the next day in Seoul. Good morning, everyone. So this is the next day in Seoul. Currently walking to the bus station, and it's raining. I think the time now is 9:40 a.m. Currently here at the train station. So here in Studio KGB. Where I'm planning with this. Pretty ba siya? It's okay.
So you're going with the number
4.
4. Okay.
Hi guys, so we're now wearing the hanbok. We're heading to Gyeongbokgung Palace. Here I am. So we're now here in Gyeongbokgung Palace. We're going to enter now. Guys, when you enter with Hanbok, it's free. Here. 감사합니다. Muntik pang madapa. Ang haba kasi yung skirt. Hanap tayo ng picture spot. We're here inside Gyeongbokgung Palace. are now here in Hongdae. We're now here in Studio. Papalit na tayo guys. Ito yung napili ko. Nice naman. So I'm just waiting. guys, we're here now to eat. Hindi ko alam. Nakalimutan ko. Yokchon udong. Dito tayo. Kakain muna ako. Kakatapos lang ng pictures. And after ko mag-pictures, nag-check ako ng Oliviang. Kasi may bibilin ako tsaka ng pharmacy. Okay. Let me show you my food. I ordered spicy mayo chicken. Yeah. With egg. Okay, let's eat, guys. May free soup pala.
아, 시간 걸렸는데 가는 거야. 어디 얼마나 갔어? 네. 요즘은 지났지. 어떻게.
Finish. Hello again, everyone. I'm back at the hotel. I already sleep. I just woke up from a nap. After Hongdae, I went just to check some stores, and then I went back to the hotel, sleep, and now I need to get ready for my flight back to Abu Dhabi. I'm just going to eat, shower, and then get ready. This is Yuri, your cabin crew, and this is my 48 hours layover in Seoul, South Korea. Thank you guys for watching. Drop down in the comments below your favorite travel spots in Seoul, Korea, or the one that you like in this video. If you like this layover, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for wandering with me today and yesterday, and see you guys on my next layover. Bye! 감사합니다. Sorry, I just want to insert this. I bought something from the convenience store before I went back to the hotel. Coffee. And this one is so good. It's the Yonsei cream milk bread. So, I hope you guys like this layover as much as I do. Thank you for watching. Bye! Super daming cream. Yan ang laki nung tinapay. Sarap din.